In this video, I'll guide you on how to earn Bitcoin for free using the top Bitcoin mining app. We're about to delve into the details of how to earn free Bitcoin. Interestingly, only a small fraction of my viewers are subscribed, so if you find this video valuable, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free, and you can always opt out later. This way, you'll be notified whenever I share a new strategy to make money online, allowing you to be among the first to utilize it and, of course, maximize your earnings. Enjoy! Let's start by defining Bitcoin for those who are unfamiliar with it. Bitcoin, often referred to as a cryptocurrency, is a virtual or digital form of currency. It's essentially an online version of cash that can be used to purchase goods and services. In fact, many retailers accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. You can send Bitcoins to your digital wallet and to others as well. There are three primary ways to acquire Bitcoins. First, you can purchase Bitcoins using real money. Second, you can sell items and allow people to pay you in Bitcoins. Lastly, Bitcoins can be generated using a phone or a computer, a process known as Bitcoin mining, which will be our focus in this video. Before we begin, if you'd like to suggest video topics as well, feel free to leave a comment below about the make money online strategy you'd like me to explain. If you enjoy making money online, give this video a like. Let's aim for 3,000 likes on this one. So, scroll down and hit the like button until it turns blue. Now, let's get started. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the top 7 most profitable Bitcoin apps. All the apps we'll discuss today are beginner-friendly and free to use. So, you don't need to be a cryptocurrency expert to profit from them. As long as you have an internet connection and a mobile phone, you can use all of these apps. In this video, I'll demonstrate the most effective ways to use these apps, so be sure to watch until the end. The first platform we'll be using is coinbase.com, which serves two main purposes. Firstly, Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet that you can set up to collect your Bitcoin from all the other websites or apps we'll be using today. Setting up is completely free and straightforward. Simply click on the Get Started button, and you'll be redirected to a new page where you can enter your personal details and create a password. Please ensure the email you provide is valid and accessible, as a verification link will be sent to it. This step is crucial for setting up your Bitcoin wallet. While we're using coinbase.com in this instance, you can set up your Bitcoin wallet on any other platform of your choice. However, having a Bitcoin wallet is necessary to collect your earnings. Secondly, coinbase.com offers a bonus of $167. This bonus is earned by learning about new cryptocurrencies through their platform. If you complete these courses, you'll be rewarded. The best part is that you can use your mobile phone to access coinbase.com, learn about these new cryptocurrencies, and earn that bonus. Once you've collected your $167 bonus and set up your Bitcoin wallet, we can proceed to the second app we'll be using to earn free Bitcoin. The second app is Cryptobrowser.site, available for both Android and iOS devices. This app is one of my favorites because it allows you to earn passive income. This process is essentially a Bitcoin miner, meaning you don't need to be actively involved. By installing this browser on your mobile phone or computer, it can run in the background, using some of your device's resources to automatically generate Bitcoin for you. This means you don't need to complete surveys, watch ads, or perform any micro tasks to earn profits. You can simply let it run in the background and it will generate Bitcoin for you. This browser is very similar to Google Chrome in appearance and functionality, and it uses the same extensions. So, you can perform the same tasks you would normally do on Google Chrome. To start earning, all you need to do is install this app on your mobile phone. It's available for both Android and iOS devices, so the operating system you're using doesn't matter. By clicking on the Google Play icon, you can see what the app looks like. You can get the basic version for free, or you can opt for the pro version. However, if you're just starting out and don't have money to invest in this method, I recommend using the free version to still make some profits. Once you've earned some money, you can choose to reinvest it to increase your profits, but that decision is up to you. This video is aimed at beginners who are just starting out, so I recommend getting the free version from Google Play. I also suggest installing it on your computer and replacing the browser you're currently using to maximize your earnings. While this is not mandatory, it's an option if you wish to do so. The main advantage of the Cryptotab browser is that it can run in the background while you're using all the other apps. This is why I wanted to highlight it, as it provides a source of passive income. You can earn without your active involvement while using all the other apps that generate active income. Let's discuss the third app, featurepoints.com, which is available on both iOS and Android platforms, a significant benefit. Since 2012, they have rewarded their users with $5.8 million. They have a long-standing reputation in the industry and are known for always paying their users the money they've earned. To earn points that can be converted into real money, you'll need 2 complete micro-tasks. These tasks include completing surveys and earning cash back when shopping at one of their partner stores. A unique feature of this app, which is rare among similar apps, is that you can earn points simply by downloading certain apps. Once your balance reaches a specific threshold, you can redeem your points for money. PayPal is one of the withdrawal options available. The same app, featurepoints.com, also pays you to walk. The only requirement to earn money with this app is to walk. They will pay you for each step you take throughout the day. This app is ideal for active individuals. However, it's important to note that the sweet coin you earn doesn't have intrinsic value and can't be converted into US dollars or Bitcoin. To utilize your balance, you'll need to purchase items from their partner stores. They have partnerships with hundreds of different businesses, allowing you to choose from a variety of items to purchase using your sweet coins. You can buy a wide range of goods, services, and experiences, from high-tech shoes to iPhones, and from anti-gravity yoga classes to Apple Watches. They have over 300 partners, providing a broad selection of products for purchase.